Hey everybody, welcome to Trailside Bites. My name is Aaron, and on this episode, it's Thanksgiving. And like all Thanksgiving is made better with your mother, I brought my mom along to help me. So today we're just gonna do a couple different Thanksgiving traditional dishes inside the trailer. And unlike previous episodes where we cook outside the trailer, a lot of Thanksgivings are cold, so we're gonna utilize the inside of the trailer and show you a couple of the inside features and help make the Oliver Thanksgiving experience something you'll remember. So come on, let's enjoy this Trailside Bite together. So today in the trailer, we're gonna do a lot of the traditional Thanksgiving staples. Turkey with gravy, we're gonna utilize the convection oven. We're gonna make some mashed potatoes, which are my favorite for Thanksgiving. Stuffing.
I like stuffing.
Vegetables, because we all need to eat a little bit healthier during this time of the year. And then to counteract that, of course, we're gonna have rolls.
And butter.
And butter. And then we're gonna finish it off with a traditional pumpkin pie with a topping of whipped cream.
Yum.
So let's get into it. So a helpful reminder when you're cooking in your Oliver, to help ventilate things a little bit, we do have a max fan, so make sure you're running your max fan to help distribute some of the smoke or any of the fumes that kind of happen while you're cooking. Of course, we're going to be using the convection microwave. This is an upgradable option, but then we're also going to be using the 2-burner propane cooktop here to do a lot of the other cooking.
So our turkey's in the oven cooking, and I was prepping some other things. So we're gonna have some sauteed vegetables. We have zucchini, carrots, and onions. I chopped all those. And then we're gonna have some of the favorite side dishes. We're gonna have mashed potatoes and stuffing. Because we're cooking in the Oliver and we're out here having a good time, we're using some instant things. So we're using stovetop stuffing, we're using instant mashed potatoes that will just cook up really quick and easy. They store in the pantry, don't take a lot of time. But if it's really important for you to have that stuffing that is made with your Mima's recipe, then please make sure that you do that. Thanksgiving is all about you and your family. It's whatever works, but we're just showing you some things that'll make it easy and quick to get Thanksgiving dinner on the table.
I'm pretty sure Thanksgiving is my favorite meal of the year. It's where family joins around, good food is shared, and there's always a good laugh to be had. Now, there's a lot of work that goes into the cooking and a lot of dishes that happen at the end of the meal, but we truly do have a lot to be thankful for. So from everyone at Oliver, I just want to say, Happy Thanksgiving. We're thankful for you, we're thankful for the travels that you get to experience, and we're thankful that we get to serve you. We hope that you have a wonderful Thanksgiving and that there's a warm table that you can join and share food with people and reflect on Thanksgiving that you have as well. This is simple food to make. Good turkey, simple vegetables, and it should be that way. Something easy for you to prepare and to share, and then to reminisce about your year. So happy Thanksgiving. Hey everybody, thanks for watching this episode of Trailside Bites. If you want to see more like it, head to our YouTube channel and check out the playlist Trailside Bites. There's some great recipes, and Mama D helps us out some more. Guys, if you want to follow us on social media at Oliver Travel Trailers, and check out our website for more information about the Oliver at olivertraveltrailers.com. Thank you, and we'll see you down the road.